Hey. So today I just woke up from a nap. Excuse my oily skin. Don't mind me. Just watch the video. Watch me eat. Watch me taste. So I've been wanting to make videos on stuffs, just record myself. But today, I was sleeping and I got the urge to wake up and just make a video. And luckily I ordered some snacks from Snackables, and I received it today, luckily. So here I am making a video of it. Watch me taste so you know what you have to buy next time. And if I happen to upload this video, this will be my first video, okay? So show some love. Alright, so we have it here. We have some snacks. So I have been seeing all this from Snackables. It has been showing up on my Instagram, my YouTube, everywhere, so I had to try it. I've been wanting to try it for some months now, but never got a chance. So I was like, this month I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. So we'll go ahead one by one. So number one, I have the Jawar Puffs nacho cheese. Can you see this? I didn't bring, oh my goodness, I didn't bring my Caesar. It smells cheesy. Let me try it. Okay. Okay. It tastes like cheese balls, but less cheese. Yeah. Let's go to the next one now. It says, oh, actually this, I heard this is all vegan, or I don't know, okay? If it's good, it's good. I'm not a vegan. Actually, I'm supposed to be a vegan. I'm supposed to be on a vegan diet, but I'm a Naga and I cannot live without meat. This smells like Chocos. You know that cereal? Yeah, it smells like Chocos. There's a chocolate filling inside. It's really good. It's really good. Yeah. I have to smack to get that taste, It's stuck on my teeth. I have to smack it. Yeah, just like that. It tastes better. Okay, don't touch me. You know it. This is good. This is actually really good. I like this. No. We'll go to the next one. This is Dahi Babri Chaat. Okay? Dahi Babri Chaat. Let's try it. Oh my god. Why am I struggling? Oh my god. Okay, so I did it with my teeth, okay? I am so lazy. I don't want to move to my table right there and get the season. Come on, I just woke up. I'm not making it up. Like I'm not making an excuse, but I just woke up and I don't want to move, okay? And this Dahi Babri Chaat. I love Dahi, so I know I'm gonna love this. But let's give it a try. so good. This is so good. It tastes like that khatta meetha, but a better version of it. Now we have Makki chips, roasted. So let's give it a try. Yeah. This opened up so easily. Oh my god. Okay. Masalas. Of course, it's an Indian snack, so masalas has to be there, correct? It will be a very good snack with tea. Chai के साथ अच्छा होगा. Next we have kachoris, baked kachoris. Yay! Whoa, wait, look. Look at this. It looks like lettuce. Okay, let me try one. Let's see how it is. Interesting. Okay, it's spicy. It's spicy. Okay, so this thing is spicy and my spice tolerance is trash, straight up trash. Forgive me, but it tastes really good, but I'll give it to my brothers. No worries about that. Now we have garlic bread. So garlic bread, I do love garlic bread. I do love everything with garlic in it. So it's like, of course it's a snack, so I thought it's gonna be a bread, but it's not a bread. It's in the form of a chips. Let's give it a try. Yeah, it tastes like garlic bread. Nothing new. Bombay chat. Oh, see, I have already tried this. I liked it though. I had to open up the, excuse me. I had to open up the package and then at least try one before I, go ahead with the others. Now we have the chocolate dip biscuit sticks. Chocolate dips. Oh, chocolatey dip biscuit chips or sticks. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Let's try. After having that spicy stuffs, let's move on to some sweets. Okay, I'm unable to open it. Give me a moment. Let me try it with my aunt. Oh my god. This is the cutest thing. No, this is also good. when you're lazy, I'm always lazy, but when you're lazy and you're just laying down and you're like, let me just reach out some snacks and then have them. This is the kind of snack. Yeah. Now let's go for choco filled cookies, like dark fantasy. Let's see if it beats dark fantasy or not. Gold. Gold. Can you see the chocolate? Don't mind the dog. Excuse him. Okay. I have a mixed feeling with this. I don't like it. I like it. But yeah. And last but not the least, everybody, we have the cranberry almond energy bar. I think I should be having this in the morning for breakfast. Excuse me. Alright. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. Alright, I don't know. Okay, let's try it. Hey. This is really good. Seriously, I am so happy I kept this for the last. Good. But I'm so full. I cannot finish it right now. But it's really good. If you have watched till the end of this video, I love you and thank you so much. And I hope my ass gets up and try to make new videos, you know, to entertain myself and you. So, bye now.